Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin after prerequisites, confirm Zabbix and Grafana versions, and that ports are open. First, install the Grafana Zabbix plugin using Grafana CLI or the UI, and then restart Grafana. This enables the data source type. Next, create a dedicated Zabbix API user with read permissions, note the username and password, and make sure the Zabbix server URL and API endpoint are reachable from Grafana. Once done, proceed to add the data source in Grafana immediately. You now configure the data source. In Grafana, choose Add Data Source, pick Zabbix, and set the URL to the Zabbix API endpoint including port and path. Enter the API user credentials you created, select the appropriate time zone, and adjust cache and polling settings for your scale. Then test the connection. If it fails, check network or credentials. Once the connection succeeds, import Zabbix templates or create host mappings and macro overrides so metrics align with Grafana queries. You finish by building dashboards and verifying data flow. Add panels using the Zabbix query editor, leverage low-level discovery items, and use template variables for dynamic filtering. Make sure to tune aggregation and time range settings so metrics render correctly at scale. Once dashboards display expected data, save and share them. If things go wrong, enable plugin debug logs and inspect Grafana and Zabbix logs. Verify the API user permissions and credentials, and make sure firewalls or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.